I lose interest immediately I solve the problem. It took me time to realize, but I have stopped pretending it is not a flaw. Because when I am facing a problem, my curiosity level is very high. I am logged in. My focus is very sharp. I would gladly sit down in confusion for hours, putting the ideas apart, looking at problems for different angles. This is the part I enjoy the most. It's fun and I feel so alive whenever I am in this state. But I have noticed that the minute I start to figure it out and I can see a clear solution path, my energy drops. Not because work is harder, but because the mystery is gone. For the longest time, I thought this meant that I had an issue with starting a project and seeing it to the end. Something along the line of lack of discipline and commitment. But the more I sit with it, the more I realize that might not be the real issue. Where I'm starting to think that I don't lose interest in the work, but because there's nothing else to discover, then the energy drops. So it's safe to say that I enjoy exploration, not repetition, figuring out things rather than implementing them. It can be quite discouraging, especially in the world where we are, where everybody celebrates outcome and results. So instead of thinking there's a problem with my approach, discipline, and also commitment, I started to ask a different question. How do I stay engaged even after finding the solution to the problem? I don't have an answer yet, but at least now I know that the problem is not laziness, commitment, or even discipline. It is simply just being engaged and motivated to the end. If you have found ways to stay engaged and curious even after finding a solution to the problem, I'd honestly want to learn from you. Feel free to share your opinion. I'll see you on the next one.